Hi, this is Lydia from Linbay Machinery. I'm glad to see you again. Today I'd like to introduce our double-row forming machine for sealing system. There are two profiles. There is a Omega channel and a U channel. They are combination for the sealing systems. So if you are interested in this machine, you can see more details with me. This line, there is no perforation, so it is more simple. Here, this is a manual decoiler. It's very useful for this line. No need to buy an electric one. The steer will be pulled by the motor of row forming machine. Because of the fast speed of 50 meters per minute, so the electronic type will damage the motor very soon. No need here. The manual one is sufficient, is enough. So let's have a look about the row forming part. This is the double row forming machine part here. At the beginning of the row forming, we have two guides here. So these two guides, they are for the different profiles. This way is for the Omega profile, and that way is for the channel profile. You don't need to change any rollers or adjust anything for this machine for producing two types. So that's why it is very convenient for customers to produce two profiles, but very important not at the same time. We have a new design here. One shaft, we have two sets of shafts and nuts so that we can ensure the straightness of the profile. This machine can work with 50 meters per minute, very fast speed, and also they all have a very good straightness for the profiles. This row forming machine has 14 row forming stands, so that when we have the fast speed, the profile always comes out very beautiful and perfect. This is the flying cutting part of the row forming machine. We have two cutting blades here for the two different profile joints. This cutting blade is for the U profile, and this is for the Omega profile. These two profiles are all used in the sealing system. This cutting stand is controlled by this servo motor made by Delta brand, the very good Taiwanese brand. This servo motor controls the cutting length with a very high precision. We can control it like 1 millimeter per 3 meters long. The tolerance. So now the working speed. Now this stand working as a flying type, so it's no need to stop the row forming motors to cut the length. This line working speed is around 50 meters per minute right now. It's a very productive production line. So if you are interested in this machine, don't be hesitant to talk with Linbay Machinery. We offer you the best quality and the best machine in China. See you next time. Bye bye.